Okay, guys, my name is SK, and I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media 7. This is one of the popular, should I say popular, biggest and historical, museum in Ada. Yeah, so as you can see, today we are having a program, and this, is being supported. This is supported by Adibiawe, the royal clan of Ada. Yeah, Adibia. So now I am in Ada right now, a town called Nuhalenya. Yes, Nuhalenya. Yesterday, I asked the chief, I went to his house, the chief, Nene Akotona Tei. I asked him, what is the meaning of Nuhalenya? And the word itself is Ewe, or the or Ewe language. Nuhalenya. When you translate it to Ewe, language, it means like a chilled water. When you drink the chilled water, there's no need for you to, bath the water again. The water is chilled. And people are saying, aha. You see, because they hear the word ha, this others are also saying that it's, alcohol. It's not alcohol. Nuhalenya. The meaning is when you drink the water, there's no need for you to bath the water again, because the water is already chilled, like the way when you walk on the sand, on the hot sand, you drink chilled water, you see how you've been relaxed or relieved. Yes, that is the meaning. That's the meaning of Nuhalenya. So now I'm walking from the junction. The chief palace is somewhere here. And that has a lot of, uh, historical places, or has a nice places that you can visit. This is, let me say, a village. If you want to visit this place called, I forget the name of the museum. It's a very nice historical place, you know. I learned it's being owned by a man. So the chief over here gave them the land, yes, to build the museum. And it's good. That's a visionary, chief, to have something like this on your land. And how well is the chief or the community also benefited from this museum? And yesterday I heard that there are some NGOs also, building schools for the community. You understand? There are NGOs here building schools. You can see this is nature, you know, this is nature. Look at all these herbs are medicinal. I know a lot of people know these flowers. Yes, this leaf, we call it tan. So I'm going to where the museum, you can see where the flag is. So today there is a clan called the Royal Clan, and the beer where they will also come here. I don't know if this is the water that they call the Nuhale. Look at the water. Uh, I don't know if this is the water they call Nuhale. Yes. So I'm going to the museum there before I go back to the house and go and prepare myself for, the May program. Yes, the May program. So today the Adibiawe clan will also come here. You know, Ada, most of the clans have the 7 clans, or the clans we have. The major one is 4. before 7, and now we have 10. And I can see that most of them have 4 different, we call it Kanya, like 4 different branches. And the Biawe also have 4 different branches. Can you help me under the comment section? I know we have, so I'm going to the museum. You know that place, they don't allow video taking over there. So unless you go through the process and you have to pay before, it's a museum, you have to pay before you enter and take video. And the amount of money you have to pay is 100 cedis. I don't know if now they have increased the price. And if you want to do special video, they have a special package also for it. Yes, I don't know why this road supposed to be constructed. You understand? This road supposed to be, constructed from the junction to this place. And I learned the museum, the owner wanted to, construct the road for them, and I don't know, they said some people refused. They said they should not construct the road. You understand? Look at this place. These are all farms. These are all farms. The people refuse for them to, construct the road. So sometimes when it rains like this, the road, this place is good, but when you pass the town and you are going, the place is very, very, very bad if it rains. Yeah, so this is Nuhalenya. It's a very big land, a vast land. It's a vast land. You understand? So I am in a village or a town called Nuhalenya. Yes, they share a junction with Hwakpo. Hwakpo is also at the Biawe land. Yes, those days they call it Popolampo Kopi. You can see that is the entrance. It's a very beautiful, place. Trust me. To come here, you will love the place. You will love the place. So this is Ada Nuhalenya. As I was saying, they share the junction. When you pass Sigi, when you are coming from Accra, when you pass Sigi, the next town or junction is, Nuhalenya and Nuhalenya and Hwakpo. They share junction. So Hwakpo is, when you are from Accra, Hwakpo is on your, if you are coming from Accra, Hwakpo is on your right side and Nuhalenya is at your left side. So you cross the road to the other side before you come to Nuhalenya. Okay guys, so finally I am at the entrance. Okay, this is the museum. Okay, I learned museum. It's called Ancestral Project in Chinchim. Yes, in Chinchim Museum. But the in Chinchim, is it not Akan language car park? So this is the museum. So as I said earlier on, when you want to come here, you pay for an adult. For adult, you pay what do you call it? You pay 100 cedis and kids 50 cedis, and they will take you around. You understand? They will take you around. I think Kwame Nkrumah Museum is lesser than this one, because this one is a private, museum. But Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park is for the government, so I don't know the differences. Yes, NKYINKIM Museum. Okay, you can see it over here. NKYINKIM Museum. So, guys, for my account people, what is the meaning of NKYINKIM? NKYINKIM. So you can see all these symbols, the Jinyame symbols, and all these ones over here. Yes, the place is nice. Trust me. This place, when it comes to cleanliness and orderliness, this place is one in a million. Yes, the artwork. When it comes to the artwork and everything, this place is one in a million. I visited most of the tourist sites, but this place is different among all the museums in Ghana. Yes, you can see the buildings, the arts works over here. This place is also clean. So this, from this side going, the town, this is where they do their farming. You understand? You can see.
Migabo ya